Namaste to one and all. This is Sivakrishna, Department of Science. Today I will explain a new lesson, physical and chemical change. We have to observe every day in our surroundings a different types of changes. Example, uncooked food materials converted into a cooked food materials, unripening fruits converted into a ripening fruits, tearing of papers, sugar dissolved in a water, water converted into water vapor, water converted into ice, formation of curd from a milk, ripening fruits. These are all the examples of we observe every day in our surroundings. So today I will explain a new lesson, physical and chemical change. Changes. The changes mainly classified into two types called as an physical change and chemical change. Now I will explain about physical change. A change in which only the physical properties of any substances get changed and no new substance is formed. That means in physical change there is no any new substance is formed. This is reversible reaction. Example, sugar dissolved in a water, glowing of an electric bulb, tearing of papers. These are all the examples of physical change. In physical change, no new substance is formed. And reversible reaction. Second one, chemical change. Chemical change, a change in which the composition and chemical properties of the substances get changed. There is new substance is formed. This change is permanent and irreversible. That means in chemical change, a new substances are formed and it is irreversible. That means once it should be to get a change that is permanent. Example, burning of a candle, formation of curd from milk, ripening of fruits. Chemical reactions in everyday life, rusting of iron, cooking of food, decay of organic substances. Now I will explain about rusting of iron. Rust is a reddish brown flaky substance that forms on the substance of iron objects after the process of rusting. It is also to explain by using of equation. Ferrous, it is react with oxygen in presence of water vapor to form rust. The formula of the rust 2Fe2O3 dot XH2O. Prevention of rusting. We have to use different types of prevention of rusting methods, but I will explain here three types of important prevention of rusting methods: painting, oiling and greasing, and galvanizing. Painting, application of paint on an iron object to prevent rust. Oiling, application of oil to an iron object to prevent rust. Greasing. Greasing of a certain machine parts with a thick oily substance is called prevention of rust. Cooking of food. Cooking causes breakdown of complex molecules of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into smaller molecules. It is regarded as a decomposition reaction. Cooked food is easier to digest than uncooked food. Decay of organic substances. Microorganisms like fungi and bacteria produce enzymes which breaks down complex organic substances into simpler substances. It is also recorded as a decomposition reaction. So, rusting of iron, cooking of food, decay of organic substances is three examples of the chemical change. These are all permanent change. Another topic of this lesson called as an crystallization. Crystallization, the process by which an impure compound is converted into its crystals, is called as an crystallization. By using of this crystallization, we can make a different types of salts. Example, sodium chloride and copper sulfate. These two salts we can easily to obtain by the process of crystallization. So, what are present in our surroundings at different types of changes? It is mainly to classified into physical and chemical changes. Thank you one and all.